Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program that is given the variables x, y and z, each associated with an int. Write a fragment of code that assigns the smallest of these two min. So given three integer variables x, y and z, you have to find the smallest of these three numbers and assign it to the min variable. So that is a problem statement, and now let's try to solve this. So let me take three variables x, y and z and ask a user to enter these three values. So x equals to, so let me use input function call and ask a user to enter the value of x. Yeah, so once the user enters, let's convert it into an integer type because the return type of input is string. Yeah, so once we get the value of x, so let's take another variable y and let me copy paste the same. That is, I'll be using input function call to ask a user to enter value of y and assign it to y. So once we get x and y value, so let's take z. So this is the third value and let me paste it over here and enter the value of z. So this is the final variable. So now what we have to do is we have to write a fragment of code that assigns the smallest of these two min. So let's try to write it. So let's consider the value of x as min and we will be comparing the min with y and z. So let's use if statement. So we will be comparing if y is less than min. So what I have to do is assign the value of y to min. So let's do that. Min equals to y. And one more comparison we have to do is if z is less than the min, so then assign the value of min to z. Yeah, so this is the method to find the minimum value of these two numbers using the two comparisons. So now let's print the min. The smallest among the three numbers is, let's give colon, let's say smallest among three numbers is, let's give colon, and here let's print the value of min. Yeah, so this is a Python program to get x, y and z values and find the smallest among the three numbers. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the value of x. So let's give 10. Now let's give something like 5 and let's give 20. So you can see the smallest among three numbers is 5 has been printed. That is a value of y. So now let me re-execute it and here enter the value of x. So let's give 20 and enter the value of y. Let's give 10 and z is, let's give 3. So you can see smallest among the three numbers is 3. Let me re-execute it and yeah, so enter value of x. So let's give 3 and 20 and here 10. So you can see the value of x becomes the smallest. So it has printed correctly. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to get the x, y and z and print the minimum of the three numbers. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.